morning, North High School. Today is Monday, September 16th, 2024. I'm Zion, and this is the North News. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and place your right hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The AV crew is still looking for anyone that is interested in recording and editing videos. We will have a meeting on Wednesday, September the 18th, after school at room 326D. Please email Mr. Walder at the address if you have any questions. It's time to celebrate the return to school. Students and families have been invited to join us at the welcome dinner here at North in the cafeteria on Wednesday, September the 18th from 5 to 7. There will be yard games and raffles. Parents or guardians must be present for students to join. Please RSVP to the link that went out to text to all families. If you need help with registration, please see Tiffany in the FRC. Robotics, robotics, robotics. Attention any students, new or old, interested in joining the North High School robotics team this season. There will be a brief informative meeting on Thursday, September the 19th, after school in room 110. Coders, builders, drivers, notebookers are all needed. Even if you have the slightest interest in joining, stop down to see what's happening. Hope to see you there. Attention, all students interested in plants and gardening. Gardening Club will begin meeting after school on Wednesdays. We'll meet in the school garden, which is located in the back of the building near the preschool and cafeteria doors. See Ms. Kopis or Ms. Darvaji with any questions. Hope to see you there. That is all that we have for today. Have a great Viking day.